Being a Bulldog is going to be awesome. I love it. I'm excited about it and can't wait to get my foot in the door and be a part of that community. So I've been in education for nearly 20 years in administration. Prior to that, I was a classroom teacher, a 4th grade and a 5th grade teacher. And so my time in education has been amazing. I love being with the kids. The kids are awesome. Every day they come with a new story, a big smile, or challenges that we are supposed to help. So the fact that we can see our kids make growth, whether it's academically or social emotionally, is something that I'm very proud of in the world of education that we can do. I'm really excited to build relationships with students, staff, parents, community. I live in Northbrook with my big family. I have great kids that are currently in District 28, also attend Glenbrook North. I have a college graduate and one that's in college as well. I love to go to baseball games. I love to go to football games. I'm a little nervous to tell you what fan I am, but I'm going to say it. I'm a White Sox fan. Sorry, guys. I look forward to being in the community where I live in and work in. It's something I've never done before, and so I don't mind being in the grocery store and someone saying, "Hey, Mr. Dubinsky, how you doing?" It's great. Give them a fist pump and we move on, right? So it's great. I really look forward to being in the community all around.